Alright, so this is my baby, the wheelie machine, 2001 TTR 90. So what I'm gonna do, basically just take off the back wheel, take the inner tube out of this tire because it's flat, put the new one in without pinching it, and then maybe I'll get some wheelies going up and down the road if she decides to start. I haven't started yet since last fall. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I got the wheel off. There's still some grease in there, which is good. I'll probably lube it up again before I put it back together. So now I just have to take off the rim lock, the valve cap, and then peel the tire half off, pull the other inner tube out, and then put the new one in. This is a lot harder than I remember. I think it's a little bit more difficult because all the air's not quite out of the tube. I try to let it out as much as I can, but no more's coming out, and the tire's really cold, so it's a lot harder to bend and move. So anyways, that tire went flying. Good thing no one was standing in front of me. Where'd it go? Oh. Holy crap. That thing flew like 20 feet. Alright, let's try this again. See, normally when you get to this point, you can just grab the tire and just rip up the rest of it, but because the tire is so cold and so tight right now, it's such a struggle. I'm just fighting with this stupid thing. guys rather just lift weights. I'm no mechanic. Fork this. So here's the situation. I got the tube out, but when I was pulling it out, this rubber piece came out. This is what wraps around the rim, and it sits in between the tube and the rim to protect the tube from getting popped. It's pretty much destroyed. So I gotta fix that. I don't have what I need to fix it with me right now. It's getting late, so I'm gonna have to postpone this till tomorrow. Now I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. But yeah, anyways, so this is gonna be continued tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.